I'm inspired to do personal injury work and help people in need because as a child, my mom and dad were involved in an automobile collision with a drunk driver in Virginia Beach. I saw what happens when they came home and had to have surgery and recover on the couch and miss time from work and from family. So as I got older, this is exactly what I wanted to do. Susan and I have spent a lot of time getting a lot of experience in these cases. Very few firms have two attorneys who've both argued in front of the Supreme Court of North Carolina, who've argued in front of the Court of Appeals. That benefits our client because I've been there and I've seen it, and Susan's been there and she's seen it. We don't make the same mistakes that other people do when they're just learning on these things.
When somebody comes to our office with a problem, our main goal is to try to make them as whole as possible. The client is trusting us at a very vulnerable time in their lives, and we take that responsibility very seriously. If a client trusts O'Malley Tunstall with their case, we promise to bring our education, our experience, and our connections to help them get the best result we can for the case. Take care of the client, and everything else will follow.
On a fluke, I actually found out that I had a pretty significant cardiac issue and was given a lot of wrong information. The cardiologist, when we finally got down to the bottom line, told me that an episode that I'd had in 2015 with a really bad pneumonia is what damaged my heart. My greatest fear at that time was dying. I reached out to a fellow church member who recommended O'Malley Tunstall to me. I have been so pleased with the reception, the work. Anytime that I called, someone would reach back out to me. It was a real breath of fresh air to feel like I had somewhere to turn to. By working with O'Malley Tunstall, we were able to get my Social Security disability, and that was a relief. It is an outstanding operation, and I recommend it highly to anyone.
At O'Malley Tunstall, when somebody trusts us with their case, we earn that trust. We have the experience, we have the technology, we also have a network of connections that we can bring to a case to help the person get the best possible result.
At O'Malley Tunstall, we treat every client as an individual and provide the citizens of Eastern North Carolina with the best, highest quality representation we can.